Gang. You already know what time it is. The Don is back in the Blood Cleat Club, and this is what we are dealing with, gang. Yeah, man. Today, this is what we are dealing with. This is actually a request from one of the Don Mafia members. You see me? I think Blu-ray sent in this one. You see me? I say, hey, let me check. You don't know me if you give me bad charge them shout out whenever you drop a request together. Yeah, Blu-ray sent in this one. Roshawny BadG, the one named DEHSUH, featuring Govana. You see me? I'm not sure if this is a Govana artist or what. Let me know if he's a Strike Force or 4 Gen artist, gang. Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, man, that one named DEHSUH. Yeah, first, man, I ain't gonna lie. This is my first time hearing about Roshawny BadG. You see me, I say? But if you link in with Govana, you should be a pretty good artist. Govana and I do know them. You see me? They're very talented as well as they're no talented artists. I'm not gonna lie. You see me, I say so. If you link with them, man, probably a little artist. So I'll check it out on Sway Dog. I deal with. Hopefully, it surprise me. You see me, I say? Go check it out right now. We're not gonna hold up five much longer. We're putting that work. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We're putting that work. Let's get it. Let's get it. Roshawny BadG, DEHSUH, featuring Govana.
Almighty leader of the strike force.
The home said you have faith in Babylon.
The Almighty leader of strike force. So look like he's a strike force member. You see me?
Yo, capture, yo, Joblin. What am I doing? What am I trying? Strike force.
Strike force. Is that I doing that in the background with the ad libs?
Strike force.
Walkie 15 over there, so. And then me Chucky 16 over there, so. Bossy made top killer, them full up of venom. Rocky.
Okay, me like energy. Bossy 16 over there, so. Then we Walkie 16 over there. Alright.
Walkie 15 over there, so. And then me Chucky 16 over there, so. Bossy made top killer, them full up of venom. Rocky back panic, me chilling, go get it well.
Yeah, tabby killer, them a venom, brother.
No. Should be 16 over there, so. Bossy 17, make it beat till he echo. Make it dim street like Messi with
17 till he beat till he echo. To them, man, talk to them.
Tell your killer do this in a real life, them a do the demo.
Beer 7.62 can that a Lego. I'm only fight war, put a grand pan.
He's in a Govana. Man said the man do it for real and a demo, brother. You see me, man said beer 17. Hey, easy, come in, man. Govana and dog are very cohesive. Come in.
Beer 7.6.
Pull it up a little, man. Hear that? Come in, man.
Messi, we tell your killer do this in a real life, them a do the demo.
Beer 7.62 can that a Lego. I'm only fight war, put a grand pan your jello. Dunga, how you make it case?
7.62 can a Lego. Money fight war, put a grand pan your jello, youth. I want to you, man. You hear me?
Lego. I'm only fight war, put a grand pan your jello. Dunga, how you make it case on some mellow. Spots panning as a little blue or little yellow.
Spots panning as a little blue, little yellow, brother. Burn up your skin, you come in.
How much is stand? I don't know I wanna be. That is for pussy with one and fuck apology. Pack a man and jump.
One say in a walk, but that one in a glass, in a wall of it. Wait that. Like you guys, I don't know.
I wanna be. That is for.
No.
Spots panning as a little blue or little yellow.
Can't match his stand, I don't know I wanna be. That is for pussy with one and fuck apology. Pack a man
I'm not no bad man, I wanna be. You see me, that is if you bossy with one and no apology, brother.
Chopper that a tragedy, we no give a fuck, take us from if you no wanna win.
Step in a your head, in a me wallaby. Running a your village with me rifle and a pan at it.
Pussy them.
Step in a head with my wallaby. Running in a village with a rifle and a pan at it. You see me, cocker head.
Nobody them they a parakeet. Bossy Mackie level all your mother seat. We up.
Knocking at them here without a swallow feel.
Shake up. Knock another man that favor grab a leaf.
Shake up. Building a dance like a.
Come on, I like this. The vibes and energy on this. Yeah, this is what we've been missing in dance. I like this fast-paced, savage, hype, upbeat shit, you know?
Gotta do it. Curfew can't hold the PC another week, bad man.
2015 over there, so. And then Milwaukee 16 over there, so. Bossy made top killer, them full up of venom. Rocky back panic, me chilling, go get it well up. Bad man, Tony.
Bossy cape and the Michelin, go get that well up.
15 over there, so Bossy 17, make it beat till he echo. Make it dim street light, Messi we tell you. Killer do this in a real life.
Make it dim street light, Messi we tell you, brother. You see me where you kick it, bomba. Come on now, man.
Emma do the demo, fool. Who no can match up to me thing. Been a rule, so no proving nothing on my thing. Love the music, but me ready fi go kill. So tell the boy that anywhere me I catch him, me I shot him.
Boy that. You see me want to tell the boy then and we'll catch him in a man. You see me man pick up something. Come in.
Belly slam me left a ring, make all my swing a brawling things. So me chop him like me from a la magie that faster things. So me dash him out a figure of a swim. No Peter Parker thing. One phone call.
Lad, boy, go on like so that she want to see if he swim, but no Peter Parker thing on here, bro. No Spider-Man, no superhero. Move up.
Big tree hang up on a limb like Tarzan. Billy Wicked make the bomber swing. Leafy carbon, honey you sell out with your twin. Me must see Jordan. We me make the Uzi make with him. Gargan, bust it and lift off a pound of skin. Program run, pussy get it in a row.
Bust it, lift up a pound of skin, you pound of flesh you. I want you. Take it back to literature, easy now.
Yeah. 3 o'clock a morning, your mama phone a ring. A dead boy that tell me kill us, tell me proud of him. Cause him
2015.
Come on, your mama phone a ring. A dead boy that tell me kill him, proud of him.
Over there, so. And then me walkie 16 over there, so. Bossy met top killer, them full up of venom. Rocky back panic, me chilling, go get it well up. 2016 over there, so. Bossy 17, make it beat till he echo. Make it dim street like Messi.
Alright, Roshawny BadG. Alright, no? Alright, but I go on, man. You see me? I look out for more for Roshawny. You see me? BadG. Yeah, man, big up yourself.
We tell you. Fuck dead boy.
Yeah.
Strike force.
Yeah, man, a BadG that, man. You hear that?
Don't fuck up.
Yeah, man, you know, come on.
Don't fuck up. That's something you buck up. You.
Spain town, you know. Godfather, you hear that?
You know,
Modern bad.
Govana, dog, come and do them things. You see me? Govana, bad artist. I mean, the Govana co-sign it down.
We don't treat talk it, man. You hear that? Mafioso.
Mafioso. One done mafia, you know. You see me and say, you don't know that mafia. You see me and say, I feel we think that over there. So you see me? But yeah, man, they do them thing. Roshawny BadG, DEHSUH featuring Govana. Yeah, man, it's a good one. Yeah, man. Right, the vibes are the one then. You see me? Blue Rub, big up yourself for the request, eh? You see me? I say, but definitely check out more from Roshawny BadG. Like the vibes are one day. You see me? Bossy 15 over here, so. Then we walk 16 over here, so. You see me? Beat it. You see me? Yeah, man. Sparks, man, in that little blue, little yellow brother. Oh, I'm here. Don't up now, man. Yeah, man. Like the vibes, like the upbeat tempo, like the energy, the fierceness. A long time when I get enough tune. I remember back in the day we used to get Wally Power tune. You see me and say, we going all out, then you get some girl tune with it. Man, they not do it like that no more. And then why tune man they might make no, it's more like more scamming, more chopping. Sometimes I get some bad man savage tune. You see me? Yeah, man. Me know you not black. Me not for wear black people, but me nah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Some vibes like them, they dog. You see me? But anyway, I don't know. Let me think about that one day. You see me? Roshawny BadG, DEHSUH featuring Govana. Let me think about that one day. Drop a comment section, gang. Drop a request. Let me know if you want to hear more from the artist. Drop any questions. Talk about it. You already know what time it is. A vibe. Remember, to make it this long video, hit the like and subscribe button. If you're enjoying the video, hit the like and subscribe. Do the right thing, bro. And a bad mind, your heart clean. You see me? Your mind no monkey. Yeah, hit the like button. You see me? You see if you're bad mind, your heart dirty upon them things that you don't want you over anyway. You see me? I say, but I don't know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. The blood, it. Love you guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.